This video, I will be telling you how to delete history on Chrome Mobile. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. I will be providing you the link of the Google Chrome in the description below. So you guys can download Google Chrome from the Play Store if you don't have one. If you already have one, just simply follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share as well. So go to your Play Store, search Google Chrome, and once you search for the Google Chrome, make sure that it is up to date and there is no pending update available. So once you do that, all you have to do is to go ahead and open up the Google Chrome. Once you have opened up the Google Chrome, make sure you click on the three dots on the top right corner. In the top right corner, once you click on three dots, it will tell you to delete the browsing data. Simply go ahead and click on that, and it will ask you for how much time you want to clear the browsing data for. Like you can delete it for last 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or you can delete it for the lifetime. So you can simply select any of the time period that you want to delete it for, and then click on delete data. And boom, this is pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.